On your iPad, open the App Store and type Medit Link Express in the search bar. Find the app in the results and tap the Get icon to begin installation. Once the app is installed, return to the home screen and tap the Medit Link Express icon to launch it. In Medit Link Express, you can create a Clinic Administrator account directly. If you already have a Medit Link Clinic Administrator account, there's no need to sign up again. Please enter the email address and password you wish to use. Enter your clinic's name, country, and display name. These details help others find you through partner search. Agree to the terms and privacy policy and optionally choose to receive marketing information. After completing your registration, a verification email will be sent to your email address. Please allow up to 3 minutes for delivery. When your email is verified, you may log into Medit Link Express using your registered email and password. After logging in for the first time, a location access pop-up will appear. Tap Allow to connect smoothly with the scanner. From the Clinic Profile window, you can log out or update your account details via Manage Account. On the Medit Link website, update your account and clinic info, manage lab partnerships, and subscribe to storage. Now, connect your I-900 mobility with Medit Link Express to begin your mobility workflow.